going to talk about a human muscular organ, and his name is heart. So you here is actually about heart. So now we are going to talk about heart. So what is heart? It is a muscular organ located in the human chest, just 1 upon 3 percentage left side and 1 upon 2 percentage right side, just above the diaphragm. So what is diaphragm? Diaphragm is the muscular layer between abdomen and chest. It separates lungs from the abdomen and pancreas and stomachs. So it is a muscular layer. So heart above the muscular layer. It is a muscular organ just used for pumping the bloods, and also separate the oxygenated blood from the deoxygenated blood. It provides oxygenated blood all the body cells and all the brain cells, and it push up the deoxygenated blood to the lungs. So listen these two important point. It push put put deoxygenated blood to the lungs and get from lungs oxygenated blood, and oxygenated blood provide all body cells to to get nutrients and do their all process in the cells and get from them deoxygenated blood to lungs. It is the muscular organ use. It also oxygenated blood by the vein, or you can say artery, is the cardiac artery, and it has two veins from lungs. So that vein which carry oxygenated blood from lungs, his name is pulmonary vein, and that artery which carry deoxygenated blood from heart to lungs, that artery vein name is pulmonary artery. So deoxygenated blood, pulmonary artery, and oxygenated blood, pulmonary vein. It is a different hair between the lungs and heart. Now from the heart, the oxygenated blood contain vein, and the oxygenated blood contain arteries, and deoxygenated blood contain veins. And the structure of the heart, it is 4 chambers and 4 valves. Now what is valve? Valves are the just like layers, white color layers. They block the blood from upper chamber to lower chamber. They work like blocking the blood to separate from lower chamber to upper chamber, and it is also protect mixing of deoxygenated oxygen blood. So blood, our heart has 4 chamber. Now upper chambers we are called atriums, and the lower chambers are ventricles. Lower chambers ventricle between the wall and wall, it is called as a septum, and it is also separate deoxygenated blood from the oxygenated blood. Septum is works as, and valves, when the atrium get fulfilled with blood, so the valves will open and the blood draw into the ventricle. When ventricle get fulfilled, he push up blood back to the aorta, and the valves will closed. So 4 valves blood has, our human blood heart has 4 valves. So the life left valves and right valves. Left valves, we say the tricuspid, bicuspid valve, and right valve, his name is tricuspid valves. Four chambers, atriums to upper, ventricle to lowers. Billiard is compo the composition of the composed of four muscular layers: inner, outer, and medium. Medium is myometrium. We can say endocardium. Myocardium is between the medium layer. Myocardium, inner is endocardium, and outer is epicardium. An overall covering layer of heart is called pericardium. It is overall structure of our human heart. It contains lot of arteries and veins to pushing and pumping the blood from body and to the body, and also from brain and to brain. So this is all over the structure of our human heart. Thank you for watching. Bye for now. Till the next time. Bye.